Hello everyone, welcome back to Praisetech Studios. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall programs on your Windows PC quickly and easily. Before we begin, kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy tech tutorials. If you no longer use a program, it's not working properly, or you just want to free up space on your computer, uninstalling it will be the best decision. I will show you two easy methods. Let's get started. Method 1, using settings, recommended method. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Click on Apps, then select Installed Apps or Apps and Features depending on your Windows version. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the program you want to remove. Click on the program and select Uninstall. Click Uninstall again to confirm and follow the on-screen instructions. After a few seconds, the program will be removed from your PC. Now let's get to Method 2, which is using Control Panel. Search for Control Panel in the Start menu and open it. Click on Programs, then Programs and Features. Locate the program you want to uninstall from the list. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. Follow the uninstall wizard to complete the process. And that's how you uninstall any program on your Windows PC. You can use these steps anytime you need to remove unwanted software. See you in the next tutorial.